Today we're going to show you a cornfield. No, not that kind of cornfield, wrong footage. This type of cornfield.
We're in Dublin, Ohio, checking out what is quite possibly the most Midwest thing ever. This is literally a field full of giant corn statues.
There are 109 6-foot-tall concrete ears of corn in this field.
It's the type of thing that demands attention. You can't just drive by corn statues in the middle of Ohio without making a mental note of it.
The field is a tribute to Sam France, who pioneered many types of hybrid corn back in the day.
Corn, 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 corn.
And he used this very field that I'm standing in from 1935 to 1963 to farm real corn.
See, look right there, France Road. This historical site is a source of pride for the locals here. Here in the Midwest, corn is a serious subject.
This artistic rendition was completed in 1994 and was intended to preserve the heritage surrounding corn in the Midwest and in Ohio. If you enjoyed what you saw, hit that like button.
Corn, 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 corny, corn, corny, 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 corn, corny, 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 corn.